In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all browsing history on Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to select so you can remove your tracks, free up space, and get a fresh start in your browser. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the window for the three dots icon, sometimes called the More menu. If you don't see it because you're in full screen mode, move your mouse to the top of the screen and it should appear. Click those three dots to open the menu. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This opens a new tab with Chrome's Settings page. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of categories. Click Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome keeps all the tools related to your data and safety. In the Privacy and Security section, find and click Delete Browsing Data. Depending on your version, it may also say Clear Browsing Data. It's the same option. A pop-up window will open with two tabs, Basic and Advanced. For most people, Basic is perfect. To remove everything, open the Time Range drop-down and choose All Time. This tells Chrome you want to delete your entire history, not just the last hour or week. Below that, make sure browsing history is checked. If you also want to wipe out saved site data and cached files, check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Just a heads up, removing cookies will sign you out of most websites, so be ready to log in again later. If you only want to remove history and keep your logins, uncheck the cookies option. In the Advanced tab, you can include other items, but only choose those if you understand the impact, like saved passwords or autofill data. When you're ready, click Delete Data. Chrome will process your request, which may take a moment if you selected all time or if you had a large cache. When it's done, your history is cleared. You can close the Settings tab and continue browsing. If a page looks a bit off right after this, refresh it. Cached files you just removed will be downloaded again as needed. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you use Chrome Sync, clearing data here can remove it across your signed-in devices depending on your sync settings. Also, this process doesn't affect incognito sessions while they're open, but those sessions don't save history anyway. For a faster next time, the keyboard shortcut to open this window is Ctrl+Shift+Delete on Windows or Command+Shift+Delete on Mac.